Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with our English language book as we are going to continue our chapter 8 adjectives. But today we are going to discuss comparison of adjectives. Okay, so we were discussing this chapter from last 2 days. First on the first day we have discussed functions of adjective. Yesterday we have discussed types of adjective, and today we are going to talk about comparisons of adjective or comparison of degree. Okay, if I talk about comparison of degree, there are 3 degrees we are going to discuss today. One is positive degree, first one is, and the second one is comparative degree, when you are comparing two things, and the third one is superlative degree. Okay, so these are the 3 degree: positive, comparative, and superlative degree we are going to talk about today. Okay, how we use comparison of adjective or comparison of degree in grammar, and what are the rules we have to follow to fill correctly or to use correctly these degrees in the sentences. Okay, so we are going to start now. So before discussing the book, I want you to concentrate on this picture. Like here are the picture of 3 animals, bear, camel, and elephant. So if I talk about bear, it is a big animal. But when I compare camel and bear, then obviously camel is bigger than bear. Camel ज़्यादा big है bear से. But if I compare all three, अगर मैं तीनों की बात करूँ या सब में जितने animals which we are able to see in this picture, ठीक है, if I compare all, then elephant is the biggest one, is the biggest. Okay, so the same they have shown through the example, also through the pictures also. For the bear base degree, they have used positive because they are not comparing bear with anyone. Bear is a big animal, simply they have told. But when they are comparing camel and bear, then camel is bigger than bear. But at the last, when they comparing elephant with all the with the rest of them, then an elephant is the biggest of all, or biggest of these two. Okay, so this is how we compare the this is how we use positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, now if I come on page number 67, please have your pencil in your hand so that you can note down the important points. Here they have taken the same degree like big, as I have discussed, or we have discussed just now big, but they have taken the different noun. So the first one, this ball is big. Suppose there are so many balls lying there. So 3 balls, or you can assume, ठीक है, this ball is big, this ball is bigger, ये ज़्यादा बड़ी है फर्स्ट वाले से. एंड इफ़ आई कंपेयर ऑल 3, तो दिस बॉल इज़ द बिगेस्ट. ठीक है, तो ये सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी है. Okay, so this is how we used to compare the objects with one another. That it is we have to see whether we are talking about a single thing, whether we are talking about two things, or we are comparing two things, or whether we are making a comparison with more than two things. Okay, whether we are making comparison among more than two things, किसके साथ हम comparison कर रहे हैं, that is very very important. Like when we compare people or things, we use different degrees of adjective. जब हम people को या चीज़ों को compare करते हैं, तो हम different degrees use करते हैं adjective की. Positive degree, प्लीज़ कॉन्सेंट्रेट. पॉजिटिव डिग्री, नो कंपैरिजन, क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ सिंगल चीज़ की बात होती है, दैट ही इज़ टॉल, शी इज़ शॉर्ट, और दिस बॉल इज़ बिग, और any you can take. Okay, so positive degree, there is no comparison because we are talking about a single thing. Describe one person or one thing, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ इसमें एक पर्सन की या एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, कंपेयर्स टू पर्सन और थिंग्स. इसमें हम एक पर्सन को दूसरे पर्सन के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं या एक चीज़ को दूसरे चीज़ के साथ कंपेयर करके देखते हैं. लाइक द एग्जाम्पल वी हैव रेड जस्ट नाउ, द कैमल इज़ बिगर देन बियर. ओके, वहाँ पे हमने टू एनिमल का कंपैरिजन किया था. ओके, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कंपेयर्स वन विद मैनी पर्सन, जिसमें एक पर्सन का कंपैरिजन बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ या एक चीज़ का कंपैरिजन बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट अ क्लास ऑफ 40 स्टूडेंट, देयर मस्ट बी अ स्टूडेंट हु इज़ द टॉलेस्ट वन, जिसकी हाइट सबसे बड़ी होगी. तो आई विल से दैट ही इज़ द टॉलेस्ट और शी इज़ द टॉलेस्ट गर्ल ऑफ द क्लास. ओके, सो जो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है, दैट कंपेयर्स वन विद मैनी अदर पीपल और मैनी अदर थिंग्स. वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा पर्सन के साथ या चीज़ों के साथ कंपैरिजन किया जाता है व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ बेटा योर पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. एंड इफ़ यू टर्न पेज नंबर 68, the same thing they have described regarding big. In sentence 1, big is a positive degree. जो first sentence हमने पढ़ा था, this ball is big, और this ball is big, okay, or this is a big ball, whatever, in whichever sense you want to say. सो बिग इज़ अ पॉजिटिव डिग्री विच शोज़ नो कंपैरिजन विद एनी वन, क्योंकि जो बिग है बेटा वो पॉजिटिव डिग्री है. इसमें कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं दिखाया गया किसी के साथ भी, सिंपल एक बॉल की बात हुई है. दिस फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज़ कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव डिग्री. और ये जब हम एक चीज़ का किसी भी चीज़ के साथ कंपैरिजन नहीं करते, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव डिग्री. इन द सेंटेंस सेकेंड, बिगर is a comparative degree which shows the comparison between the two object. इसमें हम दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करके देखते हैं, लाइक फर्स्ट बॉल एंड द सेकेंड बॉल. तो जो सेकेंड बॉल है वो ज़्यादा बड़ी है फर्स्ट से. ओके, एंड दिस फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज कॉल्ड कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन. एंड आई वॉन्ट टू गिव यू a little hint here. Whenever, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इन कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, अगर कोई कंपैरेटिव सेंटेंस होगा तो यू विल फाइंड द वर्ड दैन देयर जस्ट आफ्टर द ब्लैंक, जस्ट आफ्टर द डिग्री. आप कोई भी whether we talk about the worksheets or whether we talk about some other sentences, so you will find than word after after the degree. Like in the worksheet 3, first sentence is there, Krish is older than Ritvik. So older than, so ये comparative degree है. Please keep this thing in your mind कि जब भी comparative degree आती है तो comparative degree के बाद हमेशा than word ज़रूर होता है, most of the time होता है. तो प्लीज़ कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड. आई हैव एडेड स्पेसिफिकली देयर. इन सेंटेंस 3, बिगेस्ट इज़ इन द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. जो बिगेस्ट है वो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है विच शोज़ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन मोर देन टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है, इसमें एक चीज़ का कंपैरिजन काफ़ी ज़्यादा पर्सन के साथ या काफ़ी ज़्यादा पीपल के साथ होता है, या जैसे यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी बॉल्स के साथ कंपैरिजन हुआ है कि ये जो बॉल है वो सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी है. दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट बॉल. दिस फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज़ कॉल्ड कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन. एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में भी एक हिंट है कि सुपरलेटिव डिग्री से पहले ब्लैंक से पहले, बिफोर द ब्लैंक और बिफोर द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, देयर विल ऑलवेज बी द. प्लीज keep this thing in your mind. In comparative degree, after the degree there is then. In superlative degree, before the degree there is the. So this is a very very important hint to fill the blank correctly. ठीक है, when there is no the, no then positive first degree, positive degree आएगी. When there is then, comparative degree. When there is before degree the, तो superlative degree. Please keep this thing or hint in your mind. Okay. Now we should discuss, some of the degrees here. Big, bigger, biggest. Please know. Please keep this thing in your mind. Comparative degree most of the time is ending with er, and superlative degree is always or most of the time ending with est. Like further example, if I read for you, clear, clearer, clearest, dark, darker, er, darkest, est. So please keep this thing in your mind that comparative degree ends with er and superlative degree with est. Now if I talk about next degrees, wise, wiser, wisest, simple, simpler, simplest, again est. Next, thin, thinner, thinnest, fat, fatter, fattest. Okay. Next, busy, cut y and write I there. Okay. Busy, busier, ending with er, busiest, ending with est. Marry, marrier, merriest. Now these are, irregular adjectives, like verbs irregular होते हैं ना हमारी. Most of the verbs are ending with ed, walked, talked. Okay. But like there also some words like teach, taught, taught इरेगुलर्स होते हैं. वैसे ही एडजेक्टिव में कुछ इरेगुलर्स डिग्रीज होती हैं जो डिफरेंट रूल्स फॉलो करती हैं. ओके. सो फॉर देम आई एम सेइंग they follow some other words or some other rules. I'm going to read for you these also. Creative, more creative, most creative. Some of the degrees are there which are formed with the help of more and most. Okay. More is used for the comparative one and most is used for the superlative one. So creative, more creative, most creative. Popular, more popular, most popular. Good, better, best. Okay. Bad, worse, worst. ठीक है. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. So these are the some of the degree. There are so many degrees, but I have given you some of the example here, that how comparative degree is always ending with er or most of the time is ending with er, and how superlative degree is ending with est. Okay. Now here I have arranged some of the example, like the first picture one. First picture is of apple. So first apple big, second bigger than the first one, and if I compare the third one with all, अगर मैं थर्ड एप्पल को दूसरे दोनों एप्पल से कंपेयर करूँ, वो सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा है, द बिगेस्ट वन. Okay. Next picture, if I talk about the old person, first man is also old but second is older than the first. ठीक है. बट जो सेकंड पर्सन है वो ज़्यादा ओल्ड है फर्स्ट से. एंड द थर्ड लेडी, अगर मैं लेडी का कंपैरिजन करूँ विद द फर्स्ट टू वन, तो शी इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट. ठीक है. शी इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट. Okay. Next, if I talk about the fast, if we go on to the cycle, there is a comparison of cycle. In the first picture fast, second picture में if we go through the car, we reach faster than the cycle. Okay. And if we will go through the plane, then we will reach the fastest. Okay. So fast, faster, fastest. And the next picture is of degree with sad. First girl is obviously sad, but the second one is a sadder, is looking sadder than the first one. जो second girl है वो ज़्यादा sad लग रही है first वाली से. And if we compare the third girl with all these two, अगर हम इन दो girls के साथ compare करें, तो then she is the saddest. Okay. She is the saddest of all. Okay. So this is how we have to do worksheet 3 and worksheet 4. As I have discussed in the first sentence with you already, that Krish is older than Ritvik. And if I talk about the second one, this is a the means superlative degree, and good की superlative degree कौन सी है? Best. This is the best play I have ever seen. Mumbai is dash from Ambala than Delhi. Dan word is there, so it means we have to fill comparative degree. So which is the comparative degree of far? Farther. So this is how we have to complete worksheet 3, and I will request you to complete only or try to complete only worksheet 3. Okay, I hope I have cleared your doubts with the various examples and with various pictures. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.